That's what I'm talking about! How to make the best paper airplane. Fold it in half. Open it up. Fold it down in the middle. Just make sure that your seams are tight. Fold it down, and then make sure your centers are in line. Make sure your corners are tight. Then you want to fold the corner in to about an inch above the point to the center. Make sure your seams are tight. Then bring the other side in to the same point. And then you're gonna fold this up. And that's gonna hold the plane together as you fold it this way. Right? So you wanna make sure these points line up. The thing to pay attention to with a paper airplane is that it's symmetrical, right? That all the lines match up as best you can with each other so that the plane is exactly the same on both sides. Okay, so now you're gonna fold, you're gonna take this dimension and you're gonna try to get it as close as you can over here. And you could always take a ruler and mark it, but I usually just eyeball it. And then same thing on this side, you're gonna wanna make the wings line up as you fold it over. And then you're gonna do a little wing on it. And you wanna keep it folded so that when you flip it over, you can make the wing on this side the same size. That way everything stays balanced and symmetrical. There is your #1 competition rated paper airplane. So one of the tricks that you can do is if your airplane is diving all the time, you can bend the back of the wings up a little bit and it'll make it so that it kind of lifts it up. If it's lifting up too much, you could always bend the back of the wings down a little bit and it'll level it out. Let's go try it out.
Oh, did you see that? Awesome!
That's what I'm talking about! Look at that thing!
What is he doing? Oh my gosh, he's telling the neighbor about his paper airplane. Oh.